Okay, so the next bit of equipment that we're going to show you is the standing aid. So the standing aid is suitable for somebody who does have some weight bearing mobility but is not able to perform the sit to stand themselves. So the standing aid is designed to lift somebody up into a standing position. It then enables the carer to manoeuvre and transfer the service user to the correct seated position. The legs will adjust with the remote control. They'll go in and they will go out to help manoeuvre around obstacles. Again, same principle as the hoist, the brakes do not need to be placed on the standing aid. So this is a sling that we'll be using with the standing aid. When you apply the sling around the service user's waist, always make sure the label is at the back. This would fit around the service user's waist. And also it's important to check the size of the sling as well, but this should be detailed in the person's care plan. Okay, so bring the standing aid in close to the chair. When it reaches the chair, open the legs and then bring the standing aid in. At the same time, ask the service user to lift their feet onto the plate. Their knees should be pressed in against the pads. Connect the short hoops to the hook on the standing aid. So then attach the leg strap and then go around the other side and clip it in and adjust. Ask service user to hold on to the handles. I will then use the remote control to raise the service user into a standing position. Move the stand aid and open the legs as you manoeuvre the stand aid to the desired seated position, and make sure that the service user can feel the chair at the back of the legs before lowering the service user into the chair. Once in the chair, ensure that the straps are taken off and remove the standing aid.